Today we're going to be hiking the Beaver Creek State Park Lot 26 parking area where we'll be starting. It's kind of cloudy, threatening rain the last 2 days. I did get a bike ride yesterday and kind of chilly today, so I thought I'd do a hike instead. I've never done this. Although it is hunting season, they said. I don't see any cars around and I'm wearing bright red. We'll give it a shot. See what this trail's like. Looks a little overgrown, not real well used. That's the right turn. It's all briars. I'm definitely glad I got long pants on. Well, I'm 7 minutes into the walk and there's not really a trail. I just kind of been pushing my way through. I don't know. Looks like other people have either walked through here or maybe deer. Kind of making my own way, I guess. As long as I'm going downhill, I know I'm going to end up at the creek. When I go back, hopefully I'll be able to follow the same path. If not, I know that as long as I'm going uphill, I'll end up at the road. I can hear the creek, but I can't really see it yet. And I don't. Well, we'll get back to you later. Well, I've kind of come to a dead end. This is, as you see here, this is all swamp. I really don't know which way to go. It's so grown up that when you're walking, you can't even see what you're stepping on. But I think I'm gonna head back up and then drive down the old Luslocks Road and go down there. Because there's definitely no trails around here that I can see. Well, I only lost my way once, but I think I've knocked down enough weeds that I can find my way back up out of here the same way I came down. Yeah, this looks pretty much like it. I stumbled down here before. Yeah, I recognize that fallen log. It's pretty steep going back up. I do remember that tree there. And it looks like this is where I came down. I'm pretty much headed in the right direction. Do not attempt to come out here without a good hiking stick, without a long pair of pants, and bug spray. Oop. And watch for the rocks with moss on them. Looks like the trail went that way. When I went that way, it definitely dead-ended on me. So I'm headed back out. Well, I'm back to the van. I got in a total of 9 minutes and 28. Oh man, it's gotta be longer than that. I had 21 minutes on my stopwatch, but on my map my walk, it only says I walked for 9 minutes and 28 seconds. On a total distance of half a mile. Definitely not a hiking area. You got about 50 yards of trail and then it's strictly bushwhacking. I'm just glad I didn't run into any snakes. I didn't see any creatures at all. We'll try Luxbox.